Enjoy the presentation tour. There are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in this spacious 962 square foot listing. To arrange a time to stop by and view this listing, or if you would like more information, please contact 818-906-8388. That's 818-906-8388. Thank you for your interest in this listing and enjoy the presentation tour.